Welcome to the Monaxa tutorial video. Today, we will show you how to become an introducing broker or partner with Monaxa. First, visit our website at monaxa.com. Click on the login button located in the top corner of our website. Ensure that you have an account. Enter your email and password. Click on Login. Once you are logged into the Monaxa portal, navigate to the IB menu. Click on Request Partnership. Enter your website or social media link if applicable. You can leave this field blank if you don't have one. Select the IB account currency. Tick the checkbox to confirm that you have read and accept the partner agreement. Click Continue. That's it. Your request to become an IB has been submitted and will be reviewed for approval. Thank you for choosing Monaxa.